Boom, and boom. Welcome to Santa Gets a Shotgun, which is apparently a Christmas game. And I'm gonna have to turn down the music a little bit. Because it's too loud for me. Maybe not for you, but for me it is really loud. So, play Carnage in multiplayer? Is that even a thing? Let's start with single player first. Let me just accept. There you go. What is this? Oh, it's health. I see. I'm sorry, it's way too loud. What am I surviving? Can I go indoors? 10 remaining? Oh! It has to be headshot or something? Oh shit. Oh shit! Oh Jesus! Is this a horror game I'm playing? And it would be nice if they didn't come up from my butt and scares me like that. I don't think that's cool. Q to open shop? Ooh! No, give me some more health, dude. I don't have enough. Can get some more ammo. Okay. It's kind of dumb that they scare me. I don't like that. Because they can come up behind me, and I don't like that. So I'm just gonna run around here. Boom. Boom. I'm not gonna turn around unless I walk. Like, I'm not gonna turn around unless I decide to walk this way. I'm not gonna back off like I did. But I shouldn't stand still either. That's the thing. Boom. And I saw you. Boom. There you go. This is a fun game. Reminds me of that Call of Duty game. What is it called? Call of Duty Black Ops? I think. Where are they? And why am I walking in a town where there's house and shoot snowman with a shotgun that is moving towards me? Do I have grenades? I do have grenades. Ooh, no, 0 grenades. Press F for grenade. Oh. Need more ammo, probably. Maybe next time we do like more health or something. Maybe even more damage. Oh hi! Hey! 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 You trying to throw snowballs at me? You know, I actually got a snowball in the eye once when I was a kid. And that actually made a scratch inside my eye. Like inside my eye. On the corner here somewhere. Like on the white part of the eyeballs. Yeah. And but that was okay. I didn't need to go to the doctor or anything. It healed by itself. Okay, dude, stop. It's so hard to hit you. Okay, excuse me? Dude, that was a hit. Yeah, I had to take a hit to the face by a snowball there just to... Oh, I have seconds on me. Oh, shit. I can't buy more health. Oh, God. So I gotta survive for a little bit more. I can take this one. I hope there is more health packs around here, not only those two I picked up. Okay, they respawn. Okay, let me just take it. Where are these snowmen with hats? There you are. Dude, stop it! Can you stand? Oh my god, it's so hard to hit them. I would like to take you down first because you are the worst ones. Okay, excuse me. Guys. Excuse me. I can't hit you for the love of God. Oh, jump over the med packs. That is a good thing. I didn't even pick it up. Oh my god. I can't even hit you. Oh my god, there we go. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Where is a med pack? There it is, a med pack. Oh, come on. Gain points and upgrade your weapons to become stronger. Alright. I can stand on top of here? They can't take me away down here, right? We got one health pack there and one health pack there. Probably something over there. It's a big map. You can't hurt me here, can you? No, you can't. Ah. What if I can stand up on here and the guy that throws snowballs can throw far enough up to hit me? That's my strategy here. Boom! Right. That's not enough points though, so for health, I'm gonna go with health now, okay? Health! So let's just wait for the, press F for grenade. I don't have grenades. But it would be cool to try though. Just have to check my phone because my charging is fully completed. I wonder what comes after the guy that throws snowball, what the next harder level is going to be with the snowmans. I'm actually kind of enjoying this. It's a fun game. Where's the last one? Okay, let's see. Health. Let's upgrade that one. I can actually get double jumping and move speed. Huh. Accuracy, shot speed, reload speed, damage, and ammo. Cool. Oh, I can't do anything when I'm in the game? Okay. So where's those snowball throwing assholes? Oh shit! Oh yeah! He can throw, he can throw. Oh, I almost jumped off the edge there. Oh, hi! You died first. No, come here, you died first. And then you, and then you. And then you. Run around the Rosie. What does this say? In memory of a brave flying Santa. Nice. Don't throw snowballs at me. You know, I hate being thrown snowballs. Yeah, at. Since the one time I got it in my eye. And I don't appreciate that, dude. I want more health. I'm just going for health now. At least until I get enough points to get some other cool stuff. I can jump pretty high, so double jump will probably be amazing. But yeah, accuracy and damage would be good against these hat people. It's not people, it's snowmen, I don't know. But yeah, these guys. Oh, for fuck's sake, no! I don't care. I'm gonna go get myself some health packs. See, this is the reason why I need health. I get annihilated here. I have to shoot their head though. There's one in the forest. Hey! Gotcha. And we have you. And we have you. No, you. No, you. Can you stop it, dude? There you go. We only have you left. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. You see this health pack, dude? You see that one? Boom. Boom. That's right. I don't got enough for more health, but I want to do more damage now. Yeah. Nice. How about some grenades? 4 grenades. Alright. I want to be here because I know where the med packs is. Because there's one right there. Oh, come on, there you go. Is it only gonna be people in hats? No, it's not. Okay, good. Okay, 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 okay. F. 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 Oh man, that was a good one. Now this is a Christmas special I could do for days. Like I could play this for days. But at the same time I can't really. I would probably replay this and get in Christmas spirit and have like be in a Christmas mood after Christmas. Let's do the damage. So 21 now. Hey! What the hell? Is that a suicide bomber or something? Looks like you have TNT. Is it? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, and you. I thought I was done with you because the babies came and I didn't see any one of you cats assholes. So I thought you were done. Are these things girls, these snowmen, and the guy with hats is male, and the babies are their kid? I don't know why that is what I'm thinking of, but it is indeed what I'm thinking of, so. Please let the last one be a normal snowman. Okay, it is. Boom! I kinda wanna do more health. That was the movement speed. Whoopsies. Okay, I'm faster now. Gotta go fast. I'm in the forest. Can't believe I'm saying this, but I think it's actually kind of safer in the forest. Did I hit it? Okay, I hit it. Good. Because there is more to hide between, you know, in this forest from snowballs. No. No. Didn't I hit you? Okay. These kids are actually kind of scary, to be honest. Look at how they're running. Wait, did you just throw a snowball at your kid and he died? Can they do that? I could use the kids as shield, dude. I'm sorry, but this is actually satisfying. Okay. 28. Oh boy. And over half of them is probably daddy. You got gifts on your head. And that's like a protection. Well, I can't really hit at all, so why would you add more protection when I can't really hit you? Oh, thank you for killing your own son. Really appreciate it. Ow. Don't kill me. Yeah, but I was a smart kid. Because, you know, snowball fights, it's not good. It's not good. It can actually hurt you pretty bad. And I was a smart kid. I didn't want to have snowball fights and stuff. It's boom time, boom time. Boom. Ah, come on. Oh. God. There you go. Took his snowball to the face though. Again, I did that. Why can't you guys die? Daddies, die. Not into the daddy thing, but I am a daddy, so. Boom. Oh, come on. Boom. 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 Are you the last one? Boom. You even lost your hat, dude. Oh, you're nothing without your hat. Oh, oh, oh. Gotta get more health. That is what I need right now. Because this just gets more and more and harder and harder. 32. I've been throwing snowballs at me too. I know there's someone or something behind me. Fuck. 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 Thank you. Fuck. Fuck. Where's the daddies, huh? There you are. Okay, let's go. Boom! That's right. This is probably going to be a really long video because I'm not stopping until I get a little bit further. I mean, I'm not gonna continue after if I die now, but... But yeah, if you want to play this game, you can just go to GameJolt.com and you can search for Chris this game or Santa. Santa with the shotgun or whatever this one is called. Santa got a shotgun. That's what it's called. I think it was Santa got shotgun. If you want to play it for yourself. And to be honest, I actually recommend this. I think it was fun. Boom, boom, boom. I even knocked your hat off, dude. Oh, you better be mad now. Be mad at me. Spank my booty if you can catch me. I'm just running around right now. Trying to think of a way to hit these motherfuckers without them hitting me. Oh, you're mad because you don't have your hat. Oh boy. Excuse me, stop your nonsense. This is not fun. I think it's funny that I can make them lose their hats. Boom! 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 Excuse me, I can't. Excuse me, mister. Excuse me, mister. There you go. Finally, I can just run around, collect some med packs, so I get full health. They respawn after a certain amount of time. I don't know how long it takes, but yeah. At least maybe every round. Oopsie. Hello? Some med packs around here. There's one here. Anyone more? To get full health, that is. There we go, now I can fight these last two. Boom and boom. Doing damage. So I can knock off the hats. Or not the hats, but the presents. And maybe even kill them at the same time. Just running around in the forest. What if once, like, soon, maybe like this, not this round, obviously, but next round, if I get there, maybe there's gonna be like a big ass Santa boss or something. I feel like you're faster. Is that just me, or are you actually faster? Is it just me, or are you guys actually faster? Hey! Hey! Oh shit! Oh shit! Explode! Ow! Someone threw a snowball at me from the side. Why is it so hard to kill your own father, kiddies? Kids, it's not that hard to kill your own father. I should probably not say that. Me wanting kids? Oh boy. This is how you kill your father. But it's different when it's snowmen, okay? Snowmen are scary. I mean, there was this one scary horror movie once I saw. It was called Snowman. It was a pretty scary movie. Yes, it was just called Snowman. And it was a horror movie. And it was bad. Like, not bad like it was a bad movie. It was like... When I say bad, I mean like it was so scary that it was terrifying. Boom! Oh, come on, that would be sick if I hit. Are you mad? You're dead. Boom! That was kind of cool. Almost like I tried to do. I think the med packs only come back every round. But did I hit it? I hit him. So it's gonna be bad if it's not any more med packs around here. But it is a pretty big map, so it might be something around in the forests here somewhere. I can see you coming. Wow, boom! Come on! I'm gonna die. No! I refuse to die. Oh. We got all the health. We got all the health. You get what I'm saying. Let's get some more ammo, because why not? Oh, he didn't hit me. Good. I don't want them to hit me with the snowball in my face. I can't hit them for the love of everything that's nice. Excuse me. You can die. Oh my god! What if I jump? Like, will they throw a snowball at me if I jump? Like, will they miss, or will they hit, or will they what? But also, if I jump, did I use up all my grenades? Oh shit, I should have bought more, because they're all in a big puddle here. Oh! That was the sick one! So yeah, let's just stand here and see what happens. Boom! Boom! Ah! Okay, this is actually kind of bad because I'm dying. And I have 200 health. Like, that is the maximum you can upgrade it. And that's what I have. And now I'm down to 81. Son of a bitch! Now, I can't hit when I jump, and it doesn't seem like they miss. Okay, I tried to hide it. That was not working. And I hate that those can move back and forth and they move backwards when they throw the snowball, so I can't hit them. Ugh. Stupid daddy snowmen. After this one though, I'm going to try to do Carnage one round, and that's it. For this Christmas special. Oh, you die? You die. How can you throw through the others? Oh no, I'm dead. 1 minute. Please tell me there is one more somewhere. I kinda need it right now. There it is. Oh. Hopefully I can do this now. They should be coming from there. There they are. What was that? My mouse was like, no, my mouse is messing up. My mouse is messing up. Oh, come on. I've gotten this far. I'm not going down now. I'm not going down without a fight. That's right. That is what I call a fight. Boom. 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 Now, okay, I can focus on these snowball throwing daddies. I can focus on them now. And not others. Boom! That's right! I upgraded the accuracy. I can't get more health. So I need to pick up health through the round. I should have bought a grenade. Can I do that quick? Grenades back. Ah, shit. So what I'm gonna do is just hopefully not run into more while I pick up health packs. One more health packs should tickle my fancy. There we go. Boom. Where's the daddies, huh? Oh, there they are. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh no. Ugh. Now they're coming from everywhere, not just one side. It would be easier if they come from just one side, but you though. So I gotta just get them all up together. I don't know what I was doing. I just stopped. It was almost like I accepted my defeat. Come on, there must be some health packs here. My mind just went blank. I don't know what that was. But yeah. There's not more med packs here. They should spawn like every minute maybe. I pick up one and a minute later they spawn a new one at that place. Or maybe 2 minutes. Because I mean like 5 minutes is probably too long. Why can I not hit you sometimes? That's what I hate about this game. It's incredibly hard, even though you upgrade your accuracy, it's incredibly hard to hit them. And it's just them. But I mean, there's so many of them, so I can't dodge every single snowball they have. So I might just accept my defeat here. Can you get out of my way? I'm trying to take the daddies here, okay? Okay, 12 waves. That is good enough for me. That is good enough for me. I'm going to main menu and I'm gonna try the Carnage. Upgrades are infinite. Enemies are tougher and more plentiful. You get more points. This mode is meant to break. Oh shit! You were fast. Oh, excuse me, stop being so fast! This mode is meant to break? I kind of want to complete one waves though to see what did you mean about infinite? Stop moving away from me! I need to kill you! Okay, listen up, dude, listen up. Okay, that is cheats. Boom! That's right. Oh, okay, so you can just level up as much as you want, but the thing is, I couldn't upgrade more health. I'm gonna die, like, now. Probably. Because they're so fast. And these snowball throwing assholes are dumb. Look at them! So fast and just moving and all that. Bah. You know what? This game is actually pretty addictive. I love it. You're too fast for me! No! Okay. Anyway, what is multiplayer? It can't be any. Oh, I can join? But I need an IP. Damn it! Won't be cool to join a game. I'm gonna see if I can get my friends to play this and see if we can get a server going. I don't think I'm going to be, I just want to see how the multiplayer works. If you want to see how the multiplayer works, you should probably get some friends to play it with you. Yeah, because I'm not gonna make a video of it because this is only just for Christmas special, and this is also an English speaking channel, and my friends are not English. So, but anyway, thank you for watching this one Christmas special. This was a fun one. It was a little bit like Christmas special, but also a shooting game, but also, well, it wasn't really a horror game, but it was a fun one. I got scared a couple of times, but it's just because they were sneaking up on me. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. The next one will come out. Will come out in December. But yeah, December 24th on Christmas Eve for me. But it will. I will record it tomorrow. Anyway, thank you for watching. I had fun. I'll see you later. Merry Christmas.